Okay, so let's talk about find a distant value between two arrays. So you're given a two array, and you also have integer d. So return the distant value between the two arrays. So what is the constraint is the distant value is defined as the number of the element array I such that there is not any element array j for this condition satisfied. So let's look at this guy, this example. So we make sure the for, we traverse the array 1 as as index I, and they are all the same 4, right? And then look at the next value. It's 10918. So I'm going to make sure those value using the function, the absolute array 1I minus array 2j is less than or equal to d. Sorry, it's greater than d, right? If this is greater than d, we don't need to worry about it. If the value, so look at this value, if array 1I equal to 8, and then you do the you apply on the function, then you will get what? 2 less than or equal to 2, 1 is less than or equal to 2, and even though this is not happening, but another one here, 0 less than or equal to 2, then you want to basically don't include this solution as the output. So you have two possible iteration from array 1 to array 2 that satisfy what? The array 1I minus, it has to be absolute, array 2j is greater than d. And if you just look at this solution, you can definitely know like you want to traverse array 1, array 2, something like this, right? Alright, so what we need is we need a return value. We're going to call result. Return result. Alright, and look at the constraint. So array 1.length and array 2.length is between 1 and 500, and the value inside it, inside the array are from -1000 to positive thousands, and then d can be 0 to 100. It doesn't matter, right? All right, so here's a problem. So if math.absolute a minus b, if this is less than or equal to d, you don't want to add into result, right? But how do I know it? I need to traverse all of them, and then I will be able to know, do I have to add it or not, right? So one way of doing this is using a boolean flag equal to true, and use a flag equal to false, because you already validate, you already satisfy this condition, which validate the distant value method, right? And then since 1 is enough, right? So you want to break out the inner for loop and then say if flag is true, then you increment your result. So this will be the solution. So time and space, this is time, this is time, constant. So all of array 1 times all of array 2. So it's going to be all of n, all of m, all of m. So the worst case is going to be all of m. Alright, so you can simplify this a little bit because the flag is actually looks pretty ugly. So how do you update? It's pretty straightforward. I'm assuming I have this number satisfy this condition in any array 2. But once I find the condition, it happens, right? I will just subtract. So this actually doable. And the time and space are the same, all of n times all of m. and space is constant. All right. So if you still have questions, leave a comment. I'll see you later. Bye.